DJT stock analysis and DJT stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at Trump Media and Technology stock, and you can see that this thing is continuing to deliver higher and higher. And the way that I'm looking at this thing right now is, honestly, I would love just continue and keep taking it higher. But here's the deal. The only time that I was really going to consider this as a buy is if the price came into my demand area and gave me that double break. And guess what happened here? I mean, we briefly just kind of went without me, and that's completely fine. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and try and force stuff at all. So for example, one way that I would go about the DJT right now is if the price retraces, it doesn't even have to come this low, right? Just kind of in the middle, just to clear some liquidity out. That's still something that I'll consider to take it up, but the likelihood of the price just clearing the highs out without me is crazy. So yeah, I'll definitely keep you updated. If you want to learn how to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars.